Have you ever wondered about the quirky phenomenon known as hiccups? These involuntary contractions of the diaphragm can happen to anyone, and they date back to our evolutionary past. Scientists believe that hiccups might be a vestige from when our ancestors had gills. Yes, you heard that right. They think this reflex helped water-dwelling creatures expel excess water. Modern science shows that hiccups usually occur due to overeating or sudden temperature changes. While they are generally harmless, some people experience chronic hiccups lasting days or even months. Definitely not fun. So next time someone starts hiccuping at dinner, remember it could be an ancient reminder of our aquatic ancestry.